Hey everyone, it's Elaine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you some cabinet cards that I came across, and I'm kind of excited about them. It was a pretty good selection of them, and I got them for what I think was a really good price. My friends at work know that I've been, dabbling in journals and trying to get myself set up, my art room set up again and everything. So whenever they see interesting things, they say, "I saw this. Is that something you would want?" So one of them found some cabinet cards for me. So I went and lured. There were some in a different place as well in that shop. So I made them an offer, well, times two, and I got them. I just kind of wanted to run through them real quick with you. I'll put the big ones here to the side, and I'll do these small ones first. And I'm just going to go through kind of like rapid fire for you to look at them. I have not been back through them since the initial time that I got them. Let's just go on and turn these now. They'll probably all be the other way. But I thought they were pretty cool. And my plan is to go on and put some of them up in my Etsy shop that I can share with all of you. Can you see that one's got the plastic on it? Yeah, he's kind of faded already. Now some of them I did notice had dates on them, and some of them did not. But nonetheless, I think that they are pretty cool. I can't quit saying it. It's so funny. If you look at the picture from when I was born, it kind of reminds you of these. It's black and white, and I don't think I'm all that old. These, I think, are tin cards, because when you look at them, they have a whole different kind of like vibe to them. So this one's really faded, but the frame around them is embossed. It's beautiful. So these, like I said, here's another one of those that I think might be tin. Now that one right there doesn't look like that would be all that old. Okay, this says 1937. So it is. But I don't think it's as old as some of these others. Ooh, who does that remind you of? Someone on The Wizard of Oz, maybe? Anyhow, here we go. He kind of looks like he ought to be a general or something. Nothing written on the back of them. And here she is striking a pose. All right, so that's the little bitty ones. Let's get those off to the side. Oh, I like that on the back. I guess that's one thing that I'll do when I do get them on my Etsy shop, and I'll let you know. Hopefully, it won't be too long. I will also do the backs if there is something on the back of them. Like that's pretty cool too. So I will put the backs up as well. Some of them don't have anything. But I don't know. I just couldn't resist. And then the other thing that I am really bad about, if you haven't already noticed, is I can't buy just one. It's like, I don't know, when things come out, whether it's ink pads or, sprays or whatever, if I buy one, I have to have them all. And I have to get out of that habit. But when you have something like this, it's incredible. How do you know? It's just hard to walk away. So, oh, look at that with the doggy. That is too cute. Hold on, everyone. I'm having computer issues here. All of my little pop-up things want to come up. And I have a laptop that just constantly wants to update. So here we go. Oh, this is a cute one with the family. Oh, and it has the nice stuff on the back. So this will be definitely one that I will put up on Etsy. Oh, look at the baby. Wow, but that gown weighs more than she does, or he does. Oh. I've never seen one in that angle before. Whew. Looks like what she's wearing is really hot. I'm in South Georgia. I couldn't imagine. So Anyhow, that is one little stack that I got from one of the vendor booths. And here's the next one. Now, the next pile here, some of these have plastic on them, so I'll have to be careful with the glare. But like I said, I just wanted to show you these because there is such an assortment out there. You just, again, have to be in the right place or have your friends in the right place to tell you about things they find. It is amazing what's out there. I never even thought about these cards. I know my grandmother had a picture of her and her brother, and he looked like a bully. She was so cute in her little dress with her ringlet curls, but it was a postcard. Of course, someone else in the family has it. Don't want to scan it for everybody. Oh, there's two of those. But that's probably the closest that I've ever come to something like this. Because most of these cards are pretty stout. They definitely are a heavy-duty cardboard. And even though some of them look faded, I honestly believe that this is how they were. You know, perhaps, well, I know the photography was not as good back then as it is right now. Yeah, we're almost finished here. But again, just wanted to share my find with you. This one's in Ohio, Michigan. So I don't know. I enjoy finding things like this. I feel like it's almost gold. That was the mentality that I have. And like I said, I can't just pick out a couple because I don't know what I'm going to want to make, what I'm going to want to do. So I just have to have them all. I have to have them all. I know that there's nobody else out there that has that same problem as I do. I know there's a lot of you out there that do. Anyhow, thanks for coming by. I do appreciate it. And if you can, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to put all this stuff to good use, I promise. And we're going to be cranking out some stuff here soon. I've been getting my things in a pile for the retreat that I go to first week of August. My only problem has been, what of this kind of stuff do I take? So, working on that now behind the scenes, and hopefully I'll get it all figured out. But as I said, please subscribe. Tell your friends to come and subscribe. And you never know, I might see you out in a thrift store somewhere looking for cabinet cards and other little oldies but goodies. And if I do, I'm going to say hi. And I want you to come back. I appreciate it. Bye-bye.